Good morning, y'all. It is 2:54 a.m. and I'm only running off 3 hours of sleep, but we got places to be, so I packed my little bag and now it's time to hit the road. And here's my ride for the next 17 hours. This really cool Jeep Gladiator Rubicon with these huge tires. This thing is also a diesel. And then we got the 1300 horsepower Dodge Demon. This thing is twin turboed and we literally just got it done a few hours ago, and now it's on a trailer and we're gonna be headed down to Florida for sick week. So this is called Buc-ee's, okay? Can you tell us more about that? Because I have no idea what it is.
Buc-ee's is the greatest gas station on the planet, and you cannot pass it without stopping. One, because you never have to wait for gas, but two, the food in here is amazing.
So from the pump to the gas station is about a quarter mile. So if you want to do some quick test pulls, maybe like a quarter-mile test, you could do it here. Or if you just want to get exercise, you could also do it here. It's a shopping center. It's just not a gas station. Hello. Oh my God, this is okay. This is not a gas station.
No,
this is a shopping center.
Dreams are made of.
This is a Walmart. They even got shopping carts here. And then we got an entire bakery here. Dude, I've been looking for you for 10 minutes, man. Where were you?
I got lost.
I lost you in here. And then we got all this fresh beef jerky. Look at this. And they even got beach clothes, hunting gear. I mean, literally, they got it all here. Bro, you missed the best part. I bought a refrigerator. Yeah. We got room for it?
Yes.
All right, man. No, I'm just kidding, but holy shit, man. I am so glad you brought me here.
We got like 3 more on the way.
So we're making another stop at the Summit facility here in Georgia. So we got everything we need. We got some car parts, and I got me like this nitrous teddy bear. So here's what I ended up getting. It's like this nitrous bottle, and I don't know, I thought it was cool, and I got it for my side chick since she always gets me cool stuff. All right, this is the final gas stop. How many times have we stopped so far? 5 times. And well, diesel's a little over $4 a gallon, and this car has 18 gallons. So do the math. We had a total of 5 fill-ups to get all the way down to Florida. We have officially made it to Orlando, Florida after 17 hours straight being on the road. Oh, let's not break the Jeep. Oh man, he's gonna break the whole Jeep. Oh my. I thought you said you could. Well, what happened?
Yes.
Alright, way to disappoint us. Good morning, y'all. It is officially day 1 in Florida, and we're up bright and early at 6 a.m. And well, we woke up to some really bad news.
Scott got his trailer and truck stolen.
First day. That's
Like,
not funny, but
No, but like they called me this morning. Matt called me and he's like, are you screwing with us? I'm like, well, what are you talking about? And he's like, the Scott's truck and trailer are gone. And I'm like, I ain't messing with you.
yeah, so Scott's trailer and truck was parked right there. Well, as you could see, it is invisible today, okay?
And we're in a brand new hotel with happens to have 0 cameras.
Whoever stole this Durango, because that's what they stole, it was a Durango and a trailer, could have really had a demon, okay? Matt's demon was literally across the street, and they missed out on a really nice build, man. All right, boys, we made it to the track, and now we're gonna get the demon off the trailer and get it teched, because today's testing day. But before we tech the car, car. We're gonna go for a little ride and see how she rips. We've only done dyno pulls. We haven't even seen this car shift, so we're gonna take it out on the road, do some pulls, and hope that everything goes well. It feels so good. How's she feeling?
That's fun. That's a lot of fun. It's weird, the suspension, because we put that tune in, it's totally different. I gotta get used to that.
So you have a different suspension for your...
So we put a new suspension controller in for, like we took out Dodge's kit and put in DSC Sports. And it's a total different feeling than the street setup I usually run. And so I can feel it. It wants to drop the back end a ton.
Oh my God, this thing's insane.
I don't even know what to say.
You're speechless.
We're running on just gate right now. This thing's gonna be rowdy.
Look how cool this harness is. As soon as I click this, it all releases. Let's get out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So just like that, then you got this side and then this side, and they pretty much all go in here, and then you click this to release it. It's a pretty cool harness. And then I'm just very excited to see this thing run. Like I said, we have yet to do a full pull in this. We're just trying to get the feel of it. And it's such a beast, man. I've never been in a twin turbo car before, and to ride in a twin turbo Mopar means the world to me.
I don't even know how to describe it. Like, this is epic.
Well, that's enough pulls for now. This thing is an absolute beast, and I'm just so happy that we were able to get it done in 5 days. Heavy here in Orlando, and it's running really, really well. And a big shout out to all of you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you let me know how you feel about all of this, okay? Give me all your thoughts and leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. There's more action coming, and we're gonna see that car hopefully run at 8-second pass.